Guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the oil in your 2016 Chevy Silverado. This one has a 6.2 liter because I'm a real man and I don't drive a 5.3. So with that being said, let's get right into it. Shit. Oh, let's edit that out. So to do this job, you're going to need a couple basic items. We have engine oil. This calls for 0W20, an oil filter, a ratchet or tool set, an oil container to recycle your old oil into, and a car. Pro tip, you probably want to wear clothes that you don't care if you get dirty or not, because inevitably you're going to get oil on your clothes. So first thing we need to do is locate the engine, and in this particular vehicle I believe it's right there. And the first thing I do is I open up the oil filler cap, so when you're draining your oil it lets it breathe and it will drain a little faster. And luckily, since I drive such a gigantic manly truck, I don't need a jack, so I can go ahead and start putting what I need underneath the truck. There we go. Now I'm going to get my tool set opened up and ready to use. That way you don't have to do that while you're on your back underneath the car. No, I'll just cut that part out. Shit's recording. Okay, now we're back. Go ahead and slide the ratchet set. Okay, we are under the vehicle now. Now you need to locate your drain plug and your oil filter. Drain plug is right here, oil filter is right here, and my ratchet set is over there, out of reach. This particular drain plug looks to be a 15 millimeter. I like to choose a wrench in the 3/8 drive for this to get you a little more leverage. Get yourself in a position where you can get some good torque on the wrench. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, I'm so scared. So scared. Here it goes. Whew. Okay, give that about an 8. Now I like to make sure that I can locate my drain plug. So do not put that in here or you will be bobbing for drain plugs. Once the oil slows down to a drip, now is the time I begin to take off the oil filter. You should be wearing gloves for this portion because it will inevitably dribble into your hands, but I'm a real man and I don't do follow directions. I just get my hands burned with oil. Okay, you want to make sure you keep this upright and not do what I just did, spill oil everywhere. Now is the time when your friends and family will decide to call you and make conversation or ask dumb questions. This is also the time that I wish I would have got the oil filter earlier so I don't have to get out. Yeah. No, I did not delete that from the DVR. Well, you can watch Real Housewives on demand. Can we talk about this later? I'm in the middle of something. Okay, bye. See here, I've been spotted. Oh, get out, go, 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 go. Just got the oil filter back. And I'm going to use some of this oil I spilled all over the place to lubricate the rim. Get your minds out of the gutter. And then hand tighten it. For me, and since I'm so strong, it's about 350 foot-pounds. And tight. Give it a final wipe down and then replace the drain plug. You want to make sure your ratchet's going in the right direction. Tighten it down. Use common sense. Now it's time to clean up some of the excess oil that was spilled, and we are done underneath the car. I will see you guys back up top. Now that we drained the old oil, it's time to put the new oil back in the engine. Why do you put so much glue on the box? You'll notice on the cap of this particular vehicle, it shows you which oil to use. 0W20. 0W20. It's not my first time, guys. And we're off. This engine calls for 8 quarts of oil. Each one of these containers is 5. On to the second container now. What?
You gotta do it again.
It's okay, I'll edit that out.
Okay.
And we're there. Start the engine. You can see, verify you have oil pressure. We have oil pressure. Now that the engine oil's had a chance to circulate, I'm going to turn off the engine and check the oil level on the dipstick. There you go. It's hard to... From here, you adjust your oil level as needed. In this case, I need to add just a tiny bit. Alright, that should do it. Perfect. You want to wipe up any excess oil that's been spilled. Smoke. Place the oil filler cap. Dispose of everything properly. You want to replace all your tools, put everything back in the same spot you got it, so you know where it's at next time, as our dads always used to say. And there you have it. We're all done changing the oil in this Chevy Silverado. So until next time, stay tuned for more tips and tricks.